Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first open your camera app, and here you will notice a timer icon. Click and choose 3 or 10 seconds delay. Once it is marked, you can grab a picture with a selected delay, so you will see and hear the countdown. After that the picture will be grabbed. And then whenever you wish to switch the timer off, click here again and choose this first option. As you can see, the timer is off. So now once you click, the picture will be grabbed after it. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.